Transformers and rectifiers is holding up smartly, a gain of close to about 4.5%. The company has won an order of 92 crore from the Gujarat Energy Transmission Corporation. Vinod Mason, the Director Strategy of Transformers and Rectifiers, joined us on the phone line. Good morning, Mr. Mason, and thanks for joining in, and Happy New Year to you and everyone at your company. These orders from GETCO, I believe we've spoken in the past, and these are repeat orders. Are they renewal? Could you give us some color on this 92 crore of orders that you won?
First of all, let me wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. And this particular order, we have been getting the same rating of transformers from GETCO for quite some time. In fact, we have been one of the largest suppliers of this rating. But this particular order is is a special transformer because the insulating oil in this case is ester oil, not a conventional oil. So the advantages of this particular oil is that it's non-inflammable at a temperature right up to 350 degrees centigrade, which normally you don't reach that kind of a temperature. So it's a safe transformer. Today, CBIP has made it mandatory that any transformer above 10 MVA should have the firefighting system. So if you use this oil, you can eliminate that because the possibility of a fire is eliminated. And that's the reason why GETCO has become a premier, I would say, the organization to try it in a large way. We had supplied them 2 units earlier as a trial basis, and now we have got an order for about 80 transformers, and that will push us a different line.
Right, Mr. Mason, nice to see that the product that you're going to be pushing, that's looking good. Operationally, that's looking good. But let's get in some financial details now. What kind of margins can you get on this kind of an order? Are you expecting any kind of repeat orders to come in, and how's the pipeline looking?
Repeat order will come once the performance, because as I told you, they've tried 2 transformers. They were happy with the performance. And after that, now they've given us this order. We expect repeat orders because, you see, this particular insulating oil is now being manufactured in India. 2 of the manufacturers have started. Cargill has put up a plant in India, and one of the existing transformer oil manufacturers has also started manufacturing it. The very fact that these people have started manufacturing this kind of insulating oil in India, there is a market for it. That's why they've gone. And probably slowly people will shift wherever they see an advantage of this, because if you can avoid the firefighting cost.
Right, sir. So, but could you give us, Mr. Mason, could you give us some financial details, sir? You're expecting repeat orders. Could you tell us what could that scope be? What kind of an order? Here you've got a 90 crore order. Do you believe that there could be numerous repeat orders that will come in? And particularly, sir, in terms of margins, will it be dilutive? Will it be accretive? Could you help us out with some details on that front?
Margins are definitely better. It's not going to erode the margin.
Okay, so it'll be better than 10.5% that you're doing.
What we are doing presently is definitely going to be better than that.
Great.
The exact figures will come to know as the time goes, because it depends when we start executing it that how much is the margin. But it's not going to erode our margin.
Mr. Mason, was there any loss of sales in November and December post demonetization for the company?
No, why should it? It didn't affect us because we are not a cash and carry sales item. We are renewing manufacturers. It doesn't affect us at all.
All right, fair enough. If then we'll come back, to the company's financials. So, what would be the order book? And when we last spoke to you, you indicated that you were targeting revenues of 850 crore, margins of 10 to 11%. Any change to that assessment?
Not at all. We may be doing slightly better than that, but not worse than that.
I like your confidence, Mr. Mason. Could you tell us what about your QIP? Is there any update on that front? Are you looking to raise some funds? I think your debt book as well had come down on a quarter-on-quarter basis. So what's going on that front?
We are looking at it because the right opportunity when we should go in for that.
Okay, so why the QIP
will be looking? Some discussion.
Right, Mr. Mason.
We have started discussions. We hope to close it within this financial year.
All right, and what kind of amount you'll be looking to raise?
We have actually taken the permission from the board meeting, which we have taken from the shareholders' permission also to about 125 crores.
Oops, 25?
So 125 crores. So we'll be looking anything up to that. Exact figure, we'll see how the pricing is at that time.
Well, that's going to be a significant dilution, right? Your market cap is just about 450 crore thereabout. So that's close to about a 30% dilution.
No, but that will be at a premium because it doesn't. At the moment, the price we expect the price to go still better. So,
all right.
So we'll be and the promoters still have about 74% plus shareholding. So we still hold. We will not dilute our percentage holding to less than 50. Majority holding will remain.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Mason, and all the best for the